Okay, so today I will not be reviewing this. What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And today it's kind of like one of those two-in-one videos. I have been promising that I was going to take a look back at some of my old products that I've reviewed in the past and giving my thoughts on them and letting people know, hey, is it still worth it or is it not? And this right here, this is my Quirky Smart Power Strip. It's by Quirky and GE, General Electric, and it broke, or at least I thought it did. I reviewed this, is like one of the first reviews I've done on this channel back in 2016. I'll link the video like right up here if you want to go and check that out. But I thought it was broken because everything in it quit working. I unplugged it, plugged it back in. I hit this little button here, nothing. I just unhooked it and I decided, hey, what the hell, plug it into the wall, let's see if it turns on. Plugged it into the wall, it turned on. So it still works, but I've already bought a replacement. Let's talk about the replacement. All right, so this is the replacement right here. This is the Gosund Smart Power Strip. I mean, these names, what are you gonna do? But I picked this up on Amazon.com. I think it was like $19, so that's crazy cheap. I think that Quirky I bought was like a refurb for $25, regular price 40 bucks. So how things change with pricing over the years. And then now you got a lot of companies like Gosund just jumping into the arena on the Smart Power Strip. And so here it is right here, get you a close-up of that. So we got 3 outlets here. All 3 of those are smart, so you'll be able to control it with the app as well as Amazon Echo, and I believe it works with Google Home as well. And it also has 3 USB ports here to juice up power, and then your power button right here. So I guess if you want to turn the entire thing on and off, you can do so. So that is the product. We're gonna get this hooked up in my living room because I am super lazy and I have a subwoofer in there, but I also have like some like LED lights on the back of the TV and on the back of the entertainment center that I like to control with the Amazon Echo. So like when I'm watching a movie or gaming, I can set the mood and turn on the subwoofer all without getting out of my recliner because like I said, I'm lazy. All right, so you get this right here in the box. And of course you get your instruction in the box right here. And then we're obviously going to need to download an app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, whatever is your preferred choice. I have both, but I'm going to put it on my iPhone. So it says download the Gosund app. So let's look for the Gosund app, shall we? All right, let's go into the Apple Store here. Let's find my Apple Store. And we're just gonna do a little search for Gosund. I think it should be that simple. Oop, learn how to spell. Gosund. There it is. Kuko Smart Gosund. There's the app. All right. So we got the app all downloaded. Let's go and hook her up. Okay, so we have it all hooked up now. Now it's time to get it connected. I want to select the power strip, Wi-Fi right here. It says reset the device first. Turn on the device, hold the reset button, switch for 5 seconds. Confirm that the indicator is blinking fast. Please complete pairing process within 3 minutes after device reset. All right, gotta go back and do that now. All right, so everything is set up and done, and I'll share on the screen right here what the app looks like after you get signed in. It's called the WP9. within the app, and then I've already set it up. I got my subwoofer on the first plug, nothing on the second yet, and TV lights on the third. And then it has 3 USB ports. One of them is smart, so you can use one of those, so that's pretty cool. And I have another set of lights that's on the back of my TV there. Now, hooking it all up and getting it all running, it was pretty easy as far as the app is concerned, and then getting it hooked up to work with the Amazon Echo, it was pretty straightforward as well, not that hard to do. One thing I will say is that it kind of like took a while before the Echo app would recognize all 4 of these plugs separately. At first it was just showing the whole WP9, and then I was only able to control by voice everything that's hooked up to this, but then eventually it's synced up, and now I can control the subwoofer and the TV lights all separately, and then, you know, that second plug when I decide to use it. Another thing I will say about this too, I mean, it's very affordable. Like I said, it's about 20 bucks. It's slow. It's really slow. I noticed that when I'm controlling it via the app, the reaction time is extremely slow. And then when I'm using it through the Amazon Echo, it's really slow. I'm talking about like a good 5 to 10 second delay. After you tell it to do something, it'll do it like 5 or 10 seconds later. It's not immediate at all. So that is a downfall. I mean, I wouldn't consider it major. You'll get used to it. Like I said, I'll get used to it, but it is kind of weird for it to have such a long delay. I'm not kidding, like 5-10 seconds. So that's gonna do it for my review of the Gosund Smart Power Strip. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. But if you hated it, you can give it a thumbs down. But no matter what you do, don't forget to click that bell. Well, you might want to click the subscribe button first, then click the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. Man, you miss one weekend and you get like rusty. And if you have any questions that I didn't answer within this video, hit me up in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to do so. I've been doing a lot of computer reviews lately. I'm trying to, you know, get back into the whole tech world of all things tech. So this was a fun one to do, and I recommend it for 20 bucks. Gosund, not sponsored. And until I see you in the next video, this is PJ the Great saying Audi 5000 G. I've never seen you clearer than that. So I thought you were broken. Apparently you're not. I don't know what I want to do with you now. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves.